Hi everyone, आज हम करेंगे stretches before jumping on ice. तो jump करने से पहले stretching करना चाहिए. Skating के बाद भी stretch करना चाहिए. But today we're gonna go over some basic things to help with jumps. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे modified lunges. So you want to bend down ताकि the hip flexor gets really nice and warm. You want to hold it about 3 to 5 breaths. Okay? So you're just gonna bend down. Come out, you're going to bend down again. Make sure it's coming from your diaphragm. Same thing on the other side. So when you warm up the hip flexor before jumping, up jump, hiker step. Dusra step. We're going to press into a 90-degree angle against the wall. Spine lengthen करने के लिए. और हमें rib cage को close करना है. And again, breathe from the diaphragm. This way you can elongate the spine. So जैसे downward dog होता है ना, Adho Mukha Svanasana. We're just pressing into the back against the wall ताकि hamstrings को stretch मिले. You want to make sure that you're not sinking into the wall. Up wall, you're pressing away from it. And creating space between your ear and your shoulders. And then make sure your chest is dropping slightly as you're pushing it. This feels really good. I could stay here for quite some time. 3 to 5 breaths. You can also press right back here into the calves and the heels. One at a time. एक को switch करें, फिर दूसरी. Just like that. तीसरा step we can do is we're going to go down into a second position here. Basically bend होता है, नीचे जाना है और knees और thighs को पीछे push करना है. So you want to make sure on the exhale you come down, you press the knees and the thighs behind, and आप hold करें for quite a few breaths to get strength. It's going to feel like the quads are a bit on fire. So you want to maintain these 3 steps all together. So when you go for a jump, आप jump कर सकते. So hopefully these help. Make sure you also do cool down stretches as well because people just do warm up stretches. अगर आप cool down भी करेंगे तो आपके body के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Thanks.